Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Raise your hand if you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Ring the bell if you're ready. Shoot the gun if you're ready when you're ready. Some people like basketball. Some people like football. Some people like volleyball. Some people like cycling. Raise your hand if you're ready. Raise the flag if you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready. Raise your hand if you're ready when you're ready. Yes, friends, this is your folk slam. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Raise the flag if you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Blow your whistle if you're ready. Raise your flag if you're ready when you're ready. Some people like baseball. Some people like softball. Some people like horse racing. Some people like golf. Raise your hand if you're ready. Or blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Raise your hand if you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Yeah, yeah. Spin the coin if you're ready. Ring the bell if you're ready when you're ready. Yeah, yeah. Shoot the gun if you're ready. Ring the bell if you're ready when you're ready. Yeah. Ready, yeah. Ready when you're ready. Yeah, yeah. Raise your hand. Ready. Ring the bell. Ready when you're ready. Raise your hand. Ready. Spin the coin. Ready when you're ready. Ready. Ring the bell. Ready when you're ready. Raise your hand if you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Oh yeah. Raise your hand. Ring the bell when you're ready. Yeah, Mike 1, 2. Pressure, good night. Good night, everybody. You again? Yes. Special good night, everybody who watching the live show live. Yes, live on the DYFA Garifuna Wabagari 91.7 FM. Special night tonight. Sport Monday, bring everyone together. You know, we do it every week. Once I live in, we do it every week. Good night, Maurice.
Good night. Good night. Youngest MC in the world. Good night.
Yes, good night. This is
Uncle Bucket's sports show.
Yeah, this is like 30 week that sport show.
Huh?
30 week that sport show.
Why you come to why everything looking good? Why?
Yes.
Can't complain. I can move this thing further from here. I see something there. But we said.
We said, we don't go.
You got the stats?
Yeah.
All right. According to you.
Yes.
You.
I just want to tell good night to Miss Ella Kanareke, my Belize Jute Foundation. Good night. Me just want to tell good night to Miss Rose, whether that New York.
Ah.
Me just want to big up my New York fans and my
What?
LA fans.
Aye.
And the one who did a Friday night, gonna big up on yourself. Good night, right?
Back international too, boy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because everybody tell me, Packet, me watch your show. I have to big up all of my fans, right?
Yeah.
Gonna big up on yourself. Good night. Yes, we start off with so basketball, NBA finals, game one, play Saturday night inside Billy Center, and I is there. Big up Billy City defenders, knock off Orange Romy Rebel inside game one, 71-57. Defenders knock off.
Don't tear up the table, don't tear up the
No, defenders knock off Orange 71-57. Game one inside Billy Center. Game two coming up this Friday inside Orange Complex. That game two will be a crazy night Friday night with defenders and Orange on Rebels. The best out of 5. So kudos to defenders knock off Orange 71-57. Look forward for the game two on Friday inside Orange.
Best of 5?
Best out of 5.
What a game to play, Packy.
Then game 3 will be July 10th inside the Leeds Center. That will be on a Friday. They've set the fine. If we go to a game 5, it'll be the games that will be on a Saturday. And I will be there.
I know you rest, but you follow it. You follow on.
Yes. Moving on. We got Sankrik United. That's what I mean.
Supernatural. Supernational.
Super National.
High schools, right?
High school.
Best of best.
Best of best. Today in game 1, Griga knock off Orange 2-1. 1 goal come from Jerome and the next one come from Taranel Castillo. With Orange 2-1. Right now, in the moment, Griga they play Corozal.
Yeah, they're playing tonight, so we'll get the scores later on for that.
Yes, go Griga play Corozal later on. Right now they play. Moving on. Tomorrow the Griga is the youth high school. 11 o'clock they play PG. And 7 o'clock in the night they'll play Billy City. But that game with Billy City that bring live on DYFA Garifuna Wabagari. We're telling them for tonight. Tomorrow they will have to bring that game live. So on the stay tuned in. Moving on. Week 3 near Scout play over the weekend. Play Sunday. The game will play Friday. Now back match they play midweek Wednesday night. Sunday game 1 with who can call and Placencia. That game went cheap.
Yeah, but let's go over to the Wednesday. Talk about Wednesday have a back match.
No, we'll get to that.
Alright, you're sure, but sorry about that.
Sunday, week 3 play Sunday. Game 1, Gankara defeat Placencia 3-1. A goal come from AJ Buckbestero, 1 from the Levi Lacho Milton, and 1 from Jahim Mena. And for Placencia, the Levi Mane. So that game went 3-1. Moving on, game 2 for week 3. Yesterday, from one of Impact, knock off Lakeland 4-2. Now, in Lakeland division, Lakeland, they got a good team, but they got some of the players that like volleyball too much. And now I kill Lakeland yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Sure, go ahead.
Huh?
Go ahead.
No, Lakeland have to try books back. Moving on, week 3 until Wednesday, midweek back match. In game 1, Wednesday night will be 4 miles away versus Bengoche Proper Faith. And in game 2 for closer week 3 on Wednesday will be no other than Wabagari versus Beaton Star. Now for game 3. Moving on, game 4 will play Friday and Sunday. Game 4 Friday night, you have a Montreal matchup with Lakeland versus Krieger Conqueror. And then game 2 for week 4 will be Salawi versus Placencia. Then Sunday, game 4, week 4 continue on Sunday, a double header. Game 1 will be Game 1 will be Beaton versus Bengoche Proper Faith. And in game 2 for closer week 4, the rivalry Pomona versus Graveyard Grey Dust. Big game, boy. Yes, come. Big game, 1940 will advance. Some big powerhouse team now play out this year. You can imagine why they rough.
Right, imagine it's a powerhouse team then like
Yeah,
big
rough.
town back at town now with no game in.
We have that Wednesday.
Alright. Yeah, Wednesday night, right? That's second game.
Yes.
You guys are playing Wabagari.
He said
That's gonna be a grudge match.
yes.
Yeah, Wabagari he said and then Sarawi and who's the Sarawi?
Proper Faith.
Alright. So who you pick for that first game?
Well, me pay Proper Faith.
The Proper Fix or Sarawi. Alright, I picked that as well. And then who do you pick over second game? Yeah, Wabagari over Beaton. Who do you pick for that one?
Beaton 2-1 area domestic.
Alright.
Yes.
For that one I have to go with Wabagari. I'm going, when I write, I don't really have a team because
Watch on it now.
I'm riding with
Remember this a midweek, right? Go 13 match. 13 match shot.
all the teams that were shot, so I still be balanced.
Yeah, be a balanced game.
A balanced game, I think that
If Wabagari if I want to go,
Wabagari is undefeated right now. Beaton is
no, Wabagari not really undefeated. 1 win, 1 draw, they're not undefeated.
They're not lose it. Undefeated means not lose it. That way it means
You will got 2 wins there, then they are called undefeated. But 1 win, 1 draw, they're not really undefeated.
Undefeated when not lose, man.
No, me not do it.
You're not counted.
No.
Alright, so I think that this game is going to be a 3-2 game in favor of Wabagari.
No,
Because they're on fire right now.
we are brought the fire.
So they're out there fire.
Correct.
Okay. Alright, that's just my prediction. And the reason why I said that is because Beaton is always a team to beat. They're a very good team. They have a superpower. It's just like Germany got home today.
Tell them Brazil last minute goal.
My team, Brazil.
2-1.
So we do it. You got me by the seats. I couldn't eat today. I still know. I forget to eat today, and now my team Brazil.
So my team play tomorrow, France.
But I fear that team right now. But don't bring up with a game.
Mbappe, boy, my Levi, Mbappe.
Neymar is on reserve right now. I'll be out next game. I start them next game. I got 2 injuries right now, but
We're lucky now. Unlucky.
Yeah.
We're lucky today.
Yeah, but that's where you go. Everybody want to beat me too now.
Yeah.
But France is a team to beat.
France and Argentina.
We are cool in the 2 half. We are cool in the
No.
This is we are.
No, these are my friends here.
Yeah, France is good, but my Brazil is the better team. We start cranking up. But yeah,
Yeah, why they were hot? They were cup hot right now, you know.
yeah.
They were cup. Yeah.
I cannot wait for the PLB to start too as well. You know
Yes,
what I mean?
yes. We're going there with the time, like time.
Yeah, day by day, day by
Yeah.
day.
But moving on, they standing for the mere stuff.
Yes,
Because they can carry silang na top. EV investment, we can carry a top with 6 point. Followed by one impact with 6 point. Followed by young and upstart working at 3 point.
4 points.
4 point. Followed by placentia. We can't say no. Graveyard at 3.
Then Placentia.
Then placentia. Then proper faith. Then beetle. Then
Sorry.
4 miles. Then Lakeland.
This is still a close game.
The season young. So that is standing for the Mias Cup. Just remember, National Bank of the League Amateur International start this weekend. Our team, Silvers, going to Corozal on Sunday. Go to Silvers, they went on the road on Sunday. We'll get update from that. I will bring it live to Karamo. Play by play. Moving on, we left the best for the last. This Saturday will be July 4th inside Tangria Karamo Stadium. 4 o'clock. The rematch of YG and Totbie. EYG and Kelly Street will play.
When at the play?
Right down here inside the
Karamo Stadium. When is that?
July 4th.
That's Saturday.
Saturday at 4 o'clock.
Why?
Big Muncha matchup. YG, they're gonna set the last time. Now play 2K, and the last inside penalty shootout with Brother Team. Gilroy Brother Territon.
Why? Okay, that'll be a big one.
That'll be a big one.
I want to show up in Sibonia. Why? No matter happy belated birthday, although you never invited me. Everybody invited. Let's see. I can't miss out. Sometimes I miss out some very, very important people, man. And just to get over the party, I mean, nice party, Maki.
Yes.
Very nice one. First time I ever have a party in my life, to be honest. First time I never have a party in my life, right?
But next year, yeah, be bigger and better.
Well,
guys.
No, I don't celebrate no more birthdays right now. I mean, because I'm not a type of, I'm not the type of person who like to celebrate birthdays.
Next year, yeah, be for the youngest alongside next year.
Well, we have to that birthday bash for Uncle Pucky.
Yes.
We have to work for that for now.
I know. Well, next year, we'll celebrate Pucky birthday.
Yeah, got anything not cheap in Pucky.
Yeah. But when I like one band and 2 artists, or one band and the DJ, we got like Sweet Pain and YG.
Yeah. But well, I work on that from now on.
Yeah.
People say I'm still trying to recover from the party, man. I don't party like that for a long time. But yeah.
But the point you enjoy, tactical life.
Yeah, tactical life.
Yes, moving on, how many say right? Saturday, July 4th. This a cheap person of this, right? Me Levi Miyangi, Lima, me Levi play profit, Lima, and YG promotion inside Karamo Stadium. July 4th game gonna be YG versus Joaquin City. That be Kelly Street. Big game. Then game 2, that'll be 7 o'clock. That'll be a month of matchup too. That'll be for the $3,000 cash. That game will be favor of Beaton versus Mango Creek Vital.
Why that is going to be broadcast live right here at your favorite radio station 91.7 FM alongside the greatest youngest MC in the world.
That game will be a big game.
Yeah.
Big performance out there. You're not done yet.
Go ahead, Papa.
Performance by Big the CEO.
Halftime show.
Yes. Vida Malvalino.
Ooh, man.
And the Bad Boys Fabregas YG.
Ooh. Make songs.
Yes, the big thing at that car was Saturday. Make sure on a retouch this thing I beg YG to get back to the community. Long time ago, something like this happened in the car was.
Yeah.
Big up the big people that behind it, me and Galima. And then they're behind the scene too. And YG, SAG, the Levi SAG, Solo, Jenna, then the crew. Where they do this thing, yeah. So on a big up on yourself. Thing are nice. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, so you got everybody come up this Saturday.
Correct.
About big money on the line.
Big money on the line.
Big money on the line.
And artists will be there. Fiance, we're not telling them.
Yeah, PD weekend.
Correct.
PD weekend. Come on out to Carabao State. It's going to be a beautiful football team.
Yes, we can. Right. We can't say we're not telling them for today.
Yeah. It's going to be,
be nice.
Yeah, be a movie.
Yeah, be a movie night.
Yeah. I wonder if everyone will be cameras up in the park.
We'll do it. We'll show YG love. How they get back to the community. I mean, tell them.
Alright.
So, Levi Miyange behind the scene. Lema as well behind the scene. My cousin Sag behind the scene. Levi. Can't forget yo. Follow Grim.
Man out there? What out there?
Yeah, boy. They are rich.
What out there?
Yeah, boy.
Alright.
We are got a good guest on the scene. We have our next 5 minutes.
You see that already? You sure? You have to make sure now. You have to make sure before we make an announcement. No?
Yeah. But you
gotta make an announcement. That's what you know the thing said. Right, but again, this thing will be big. This the first time ever.
Be big. First time ever. Be big. Be big. The Karama Stadium on July 4th. Miyange, Lema, and YG promotion. First, be YG versus Chemistry. And then game 2 will be P-Tongue versus Mangrove Fighters. White big game. They can't wait.
It's going to be something special.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, we never seen this in the tongue before.
Yes.
You know, and this is a football tongue, so a lot of people
will be there.
We can't let these
believe that bring the fans as well.
Yeah. Well, is there going to be an after party? After party after that?
Well, correct now, you have no details about it. But believe I celebrate and think I give detail. But I think after bash shall be the island.
All right.
So the thing I fell off, gonna come out and support the thing Saturday.
Yeah.
Well, nice and easy.
Easy like Sunday morning, Paki.
Correct.
Easy like Sunday morning.
Let's go to the fans before it.
Why the fans are asleep? When the fans are not, they're watching the show tonight, they're asleep.
Well,
watching the World Cup, they're tired for the World Cup.
That's what I tell everybody. Good night. See you on Friday and Saturday. Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Holy football action. Well, we can. Ayo.
You ready for it?
You
ready for the sports buy?
We out. Yeah.
Thanks again, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in. Keep it locked. Remember, tomorrow we're going to be in Philly City, live and direct, right?
All right.
So you're going to watch the football game. Stock Creek District versus Toledo.
That'll be first game at 11 o'clock, and game 2 will be Riga versus Philly City.
Right, free. Yeah. So we're going there tomorrow. Tune in, ladies and gentlemen. Right? So let me go look for the other device. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Trust me. You're gonna see live and direct our young boys from the high schools showcasing their skills. All right. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Right here from the studios of DYFA, alongside the youngest MC in the world.
See you tomorrow. We're live. Wednesday, we're live as well. Friday, we're live. And Saturday, 3K, 2K inside, bring a car over there. Well, uh, some people like volleyball, some people like cycling. Raise your hand if you're ready. Raise your flag if you're ready. When you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Loading with the ready. Raise your hand.